and welcome to PPi Technologies Group first quarter report. I'm Jenifer of Project Management and your host today. We are so excited to announce that we have had the best first quarter ever in our 25-year history. Also with me today is Jeff Picaro. He is a sales manager for Midwest USA. And he is here to give us all the ins and outs of why we had the best first quarter ever. Hi.
Hi, Jen.
Hi.
Yeah, I think there's a couple reasons why we had such a great quarter. Every year we spend tons and tons of money on machine inventory. So that gives our customers the ability to get a machine in a much shorter time frame than it was if we were to start with a new build. So we've had a lot of folks taking advantage of that this first quarter. Second, we've got 25 years of experience as a company in the packaging world. So anytime someone comes to us with a difficult product, our Focus Factory team will sit down, come up with a great innovative solution to get that product into market. So anytime someone comes to work with us, they have access to all that knowledge, all that experience, and that's a huge advantage for folks.
That's awesome.
And then the final thing I think is our customer-centric culture.
Really?
Yeah.
You say customer-centric culture, which I know PPi has upheld always. What is your definition of customer-centric culture?
So to me, it's exactly that. We put our customers first. So we have a top-rated after-sales support team. So that's customer service, our service technicians, customer service rep. So each customer, when they work with us, they're assigned a dedicated customer service rep.
Yep.
And that person is essentially an extension of that company working here for them at PPi. So
Sure.
they're their advocate anytime they need something, parts, service related. They have the same person they go to every single time. So that's just a great asset to have. We always keep our customers in mind. You know, as much as we love working on new projects with new customers, nothing makes us happier, more excited when we have repeat business. So a customer comes to us for their second, third machine, that just speaks volumes to the level of trust they have in PPi and the solutions that we provide.
Absolutely, I totally agree. So, you know, in this past year, we were forced, us and our customers were forced to do business differently. What are some of the trends you're seeing this year?
Yeah, so there's quite a few changes going on, a lot going on in the world.
Yeah.
You know, I think we've got more people staying at home, working from home, not going out to restaurants as much, so they're buying more groceries, more food, you know, cleaning supplies, all these different things, and
Sure.
we supply machinery to customers who manufacture all these different products. So increased demand from our customers means more products, more things going out the door. Another thing we're seeing is a lot of supply chain issues. So delays in shipments, whether it's just stuff coming in or shipping components or packaging material, all these supply chain issues are causing problems for folks. They're, you know, needing to get on top of things and get equipment sooner, so they're taking more advantage of the fact that we always have machinery in stock. So
Sure, yeah.
that's something I don't think is going to go anytime soon. And then the other thing is sustainability. So that one's been with us for a while. I think it's going to be continued to be pushed. You know, folks looking for more sustainable packaging materials, equipment that runs more efficiently. And at PPi, we're always looking for ways to keep ahead of that. So our machinery is able to run these sustainable materials. Machines run on, you know, less air consumption, less electrical consumption. All that is good for the environment.
Absolutely. Well, and speaking of environment and single-use plastics, which I know everyone is concerned about, what is PPi doing to help the environment when it comes to plastics?
Yeah, so 20 years ago, our CEO, Charles Murray, had developed this concept of a sustainable, environmental conscious approach to machinery and pouches. And that's more about source reduction and some of the things I just mentioned on machines using less air, less electricity. Overall, just a great concept for the packaging world, and he's been preaching this for over 20 years.
Right.
Another thing that we're excited to be a part of is PPi is one of the founding members of the Consortium for Waste to Syngas Circularity, which is a group of industry professionals from the packaging world, from different colleges and universities who are coming together to try and solve the recycling challenges of making packaging a much more circular economy, where you have your raw packaging, it goes through the process, then it goes back to be a usable product. So it's just a great,
awesome.
much more efficient way to use resources and keep the environment healthy.
Thank you so much for all the information today, Jeff. Going forward, what do you recommend for quarter 2 and quarter 3, the rest of the year?
Yeah, I think with some of the supply chain issues I mentioned, that if you have any thoughts of looking for new equipment, new machinery, the sooner you get a hold of us, the better. That much sooner we can start working on a project and get a machine in build for you and get it on your floor and up and running for you.
Awesome. One-stop shop.
That's it.
That's all the time we have today, folks. Thanks for joining.